amazing! And not a minute too soon. The storm's here!
We have to get the giraffes into the enclosure now!
I'm trying to get them to go into the enclosure, but they're scared. Wait! Acacia leaves from the trees. That's what they eat. They'll follow the leaves.
Then a leaf buffet is on the way.
Come and get it! Dessert time! Come and get it!
Yes!
We did it! They're safe now!
They will be once I shut the door.
Oh, that's not just any giraffe. That must be Mrs. Jeremy. We have to get her out of there before we all blow away.
Okay, everyone, let's move this boulder out of the way.
It's too heavy!
You're right. Let's get Claw.
We did it!
Oh, so sweet. Now let's go. We need to get you two out of here lickety-split. Oh, wait. Where's the baboon you were telling me about? What's so funny?
Aww! They have a little baby giraffe!
It wasn't a baboon or a balloon. It was a baby. I was close. They sound alike. That's why Jeremy kept taking the leaves. The little thing is hungry.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.